welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Alexisjayda and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be playing with some new goodies. So I cannot wait. These are new goodies to me and some are new goodies. Like this one right here, this is a J.Cat Beauty Dia&Noche. Once upon a time, long ago. Oh, I think this one is Once Upon a Time. So we are going to be creating something very dramatic on my eye. I asked you guys what would you guys like to see. A lot of you guys said, I want something smoky. I want something in your face. So let's just go around and play with it and see what we create. Alrighty then. So let's go in with our Armor Shields from Shop Miss A. I've been loving these. So I'm like, if it ain't broke, I'm not gonna fix it. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. I'm going to apply this all over my lid. And this is just going to act as our eyeshadow base. I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite Makeup Shack T29, and I'm just going to do tapping motions on my lid. So the mattes didn't swatch the best, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they're not going to perform amazing on the eyelids. The shimmers swatched beautifully. So now we're gonna go in with this shade right here, this really pretty hot pink, which is Princess Inside All of Us. Gonna go in with the Sedona Lace EB13. And we are going to just, you see, just because it didn't swatch well doesn't mean it's not gonna perform well. Just going to add it there and then blend. What are you trying to focus on? What you trying to look at? Look at me. Focus on me. Quit your shit. Okay. I think because I was getting too close and it's probably like, whoa. I'm just going to dab a little bit more. And then we're going to blend. And bring it out. Bring it in a little bit. Bring it out. And let it rain. Bring it out. Let it rain. Clear it out. I always say bring it out, clear it out. All right, now I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's the lighter pink, and this one is Venture Inside. We're gonna use the same brush, and I'm just going to pick up some of that color and kind of just press it and then blend. So far, I'm loving how beautiful it looks. I feel like we could just pop on a black eyeliner and call it a day, and it'd look gorge. But let's just go in with that pink before we get ahead of ourselves and just lightly blend that. I really wish they would have put some deep purples in here. I feel like it really would have made a difference. I feel like there's just a lot of shimmer. So maybe we should have done half shimmer and half matte. It's okay, it's great, it's great. We're going to work with it. But I feel like this look is gonna be mostly pink, and that's okay. We're gonna cut our crease. I'm going to go in with some makeup remover. I'm gonna go with my paintbrush number 4. And I'm going to apply the concealer that we used earlier, and I'm just going to add it to the lid so we have a blank canvas. So now I want to go in with this beautiful shade right here, and I'm just going to stick it real good. Yeah, it looks kind of chunky. Okay, it was kind of difficult to work with it for a little bit, but once I got like okay, the hang of it, I got it. Now I'm gonna go in with this really pretty shade right here. My fingers are stained, so I can just imagine how my eyes are gonna be probably. And I'm just going to apply that right here. It's not doing what I thought. Okay. Okay. I'm so weird. I have to do it to both eyes. I don't know why they're not performing that well. I'm gonna go back in with the other color that we used to apply with the lid. I'm just gonna go over it very lightly just to help blend those two shades together. And we are just going to discard that idea that I had. We're gonna go back in with that shade, that brush we used at the beginning, and we're going to pick up that pink again. And I'm just going to pat it on the lid like this. Okay, I really like how that's building up over that shimmer. So I'm wondering if this is going to work. So J.Cat Beauty sent me this mixing tray and Lock It and Seal liquid makeup setter. I'm going to scrape some of this color. I have it on here, and I'm going to add some of that Lock It and Seal, and I'm going to mix it. Look. Oh, that is gorgeous. You know where we're gonna put that at? Right on top. So we're gonna apply that right here, okay? Do you see it kind of right there? Okay, I see it. Just like that, and then kind of bring it out right there. I like how I just like sharpened it a little bit. You can see it right there. If it had a gold, oh my goodness, the gold would have been perfect too, just to kind of like bring it together. Okay, hold on. We do have to play with this one. This, oh, I just spilled it everywhere. So this one is Hype Exposure. It is beautiful. Do you guys see that? Beautiful. So we're gonna pop that very lightly right here. You can't even really see. Oh, yeah, you can. It's like very like, you can see it. Okay, now eyeliner. I want to go in with the red. I used this the other day. I didn't really talk that much about it, but this is from Chaotic Cosmetics, and this is their palette. So you add a little bit of water to it. Boom, it's an activated eyeliner palette. They commented the other day on my video, so hey, thank you for commenting. It's so awesome when you show love to a company and then they show love back. It's like, see you. So they do have a red in here. Should we do a red, or should we do maybe this one? I really like the eye look though. So girl, so here's the purple, here's the purple, here's the purple. Oh, son of a, I don't even want to swatch. Oh, that is beautiful. This red, it looks like it's more of a reddy orange. Yeah, see, it's more of like a red orange. Even though there's an orange right next to it. So do I get like two? See, because I did this red. No! Do you guys see you got into the white? It's all your guys' fault because I had to show you guys. No harm, no foul. It's because you guys were looking at it. We're like, duh, where are we supposed to look? I don't know. But look how pretty and matte that dried. Damn. Okay, we're going to use that on my eye for sure right now. Just in case you're curious, since I did say the red and the orange is very similar. So here is it right here, and then here's the orange. So the red is like a reddy orange. A reddy orange, you're so stupid. I'm sure if you mix in like a little bit of like the black, it'll darken that baby up real quick. I really love how that looks. Oof, boom. Look how nice and crispy that looks. Now I'm going to try this. I got this in PR quite some time, but I have not played with it yet. This is the Air Volume Mega Mascara from L'Oreal. Let's try it out. So people are saying this is supposed to be the competition for the Maybelline. We'll see, because y'all know how I felt about that. When I first played with it, I was like, here's the doe foot applicator. Okay, it's a little thickums. Here is the L'Oreal packaging. Looks really cute. Here are my lashes. Look crazy, huh? I really love that eyeliner. That's, okay, here we go. I can definitely say right off the bat, I feel like it separated my lashes a lot more than what the Maybelline did. I already love L'Oreal's mascara. I feel like their formula, you can never go wrong. Like, they have really good formulas. Their formulation is always really good. Here I am going in again. I have not dipped again, but it's still separating and it doesn't look so clumpy. It's getting a little clumpy, but not as much as the Maybelline one gave me right from the get when I started going in again. I still have baby lashes, but you can definitely see that there is a difference. You know what I mean? I feel like I can just keep going back and forth, back and forth. I haven't dipped yet, but now I feel like, okay, you can kind of see that it's clumping a little bit more, but it's still separating my lashes. Like, yeah. Getting a little clumpy, but I feel like the Maybelline one was a little bit too clumpy. Like my lashes are still saying what's up, cut, but it's not as clumpy as the other one. I'm going to like it on my bottom lashes. I can already tell by how it feels like it's a little bit more drying. Still, yeah, like look. They look clumpy, yeah. The more you look at them, they look clumpy. But I think I'll like them for my bottom lashes. I like this a lot better than I liked. The impression I got was like, okay, a little bit more bitter. What y'all think? But I don't think the Maybelline and the L'Oreal are similar in formula. I don't see it at all. I can definitely see where, since the Maybelline has been sold out, this just as good. Just as good. A little bit more drying for sure than the Maybelline one. And I feel like I like more drying mascaras because I feel like they're not as wet. Have you ever had a mascara where you feel like it's too wet and your lashes are weighing down? Not saying the Maybelline is like super wet. It's like a medium wet. It still needs time to dry, but this one already feels like if I already used it a couple times. Does that make sense? Okay, now I'm gonna go into the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. I have not used this, but I have seen people get hype about it, that this is the bee's knees. Now, oh my gosh, you guys see that? Beep, beep, beep. I did get a black one, lash glue, but since we didn't go in with black, which I'm glad, I'm going to use the clear one. The lashes are absolutely beautiful. Who are you trying to focus on? Let's go in with, I'm gonna put it on here. My tip is dirty now. Well, you just defeated the oh, I pissed myself out. Okay, I'm gonna go right in and just, oh, damn, you sticking quick. All right, okay, hold on. I was gonna do it all cute for y'all. No time for that. Dang, it said now. Okay, I got some grip on there. Like, I usually like to like pull my lash and like adjust it, but I'm gonna have to reapply you. No, okay, I'm about to be pissed off. Okay, so the tip got hard already from the glue. That's stupid. So, look, it's already hard. Like, it's not flimsy. Like, the stuff is coming out from the side right here. Like, this is supposed to be easy. Now it's becoming a mission. Okay, there you go. We got one lash down. It was easy to clean. I don't like it. It's too much work. I'd rather just put the glue on my lashes. Yeah. The black liner, I'm gonna have to try with the black liner. Maybe I'll like it better. But yeah, I didn't like it. I feel like it was, I work too slow to like cool shit. So I like to go in there and make sure my lashes, I could pick them up and do the whole like, you know? But it definitely worked. After all that complaining, yeah, it's on. Okay, so here's the look. Here's the eye. I'm gonna go finish my face and then I wanna go in and play with these. I'll be back. So I do have my foundation on. I'm currently testing out a new one. I'm using the Urban Decay, the Stay Naked Hydro Manic Tinted Glow Hydrator. So stay tuned for that. I will be trying out these. These are the J.Cat Beauty J.Cat Master Class Face FX Color Palette. So I think the one that's gonna be best fit me is this one right here, which is medium deep. I already did add concealer. I totally forgot. I was like, oh, wait. The concealer I did use was the Stay Naked Color Corrector 50WY. So this is it right here. I am going to use this to contour my face. I'm excited to use this. You guys know I love contouring palettes. So I want to go in and use this shade right here. Hopefully, okay, I'm like, hopefully it blends good. I'm gonna put that right there, right there. Oh, that feels like butter. Okay, like that. So I have that on my face. Now let's go in and blend. I am going to use my Makeup Shack T29. You guys know I love that one. And we're going to blend. Oh my goodness, look at that. I see it blended. So we're just going to do circular motions, or you can do just light tapping motions and just pulling the brush up towards this direction. Dang, that blended beautifully. Tapping motions when it comes to my nose. I want to see this color right here. I'm just going to add this a little bit. Yeah, that would be a perfect shade. Just want to see how it applies right here. I'm gonna go with a sponge. That blended good. Okay. I already had laid down concealer, but I still wanted to see how that worked. I am going to go in directly just like this to pick up that shade. Go in and add it. Just give me more of a bronze. Tap over it with my sponge. Make sure everything is blending seamlessly. My lip twitches that way. Boom! I like the way it looks. It looks like it gives you a very nice professional. Not disappointed. All right, so now for my waterline, I will be going in with the Flower Beauty lip liner in fuchsia. Now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Shack T63, and I'm going to pick up that shade right there. And we're just going to lightly apply that underneath our lash line. So now let's go in with our bottom lashes, and let's go in with the Air Volume Mascara. All right, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil. This one is in Petal Please. Now I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Matte Lip Crayon, and this one is in Lady Toffee. That is beautiful. I love how that looks. Okay, so here is lip option number uno. We're gonna use L'Oreal Matte Lip Crayon, and this one is in Little Chill. She ain't got no chill, not even a little chill. She got no chill. I like this color a lot. I know you see. And I love that it feels and it looks like a soft matte, because it is. It's a really nice, soft, beautiful matte, and it just. Alrighty, and last but not least is this beautiful shade right here. Oh, it's so beautiful. And this is by Fenty Beauty, and this one is Candy Venom. And then here is the last choice. My lips are a little bit irritated and a little bit more pink. I do want to try this gloss that I have been loving. Oh, and I do want to go in with Stone, the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. Alrighty, loves, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. I really love the way this look came out. It was so freaking beautiful. It is very beautiful. I love pink, so it looks super cute. I like it. I don't know what else to say. I'm like, I like it a lot. I like it very much. Really liked how this applied on my skin. I will be putting this in a giveaway for you guys. If you guys are interested in it, please comment down below and leave a way for me to get a hold of you. I still need to play with this. It did do the job, but I'm just, I don't know, I guess I'm kind of like, I don't know. I'm kind of just on the fence, I guess, about it. I do need to try the black liner one, because the clear one, I did really enjoy the Maybelline mascara. I guess it's just kind of like, it's okay too. Like, it's okay. It didn't give me the same reaction as the Maybelline did. The Maybelline one, I feel like it's a little bit better. I really like how my bottom lash, I love how my bottom lashes look, but I will keep you guys updated on this, especially because I know there is a lot of mascara lovers. The Lock It and Seal really impressed me. I really like how that gold looks right there. I really like it. So I'm definitely gonna be putting this in future videos for sure. If a few of you wanted me to talk about what my thoughts are about the palette from Chaotic Cosmetics, I love it. I like it very much. I feel like there's gonna be endless looks that you can create with this. I love it. I love the eyeliner. So beautiful. As soon as I swatched it, you guys see my reaction. I was like, oh. I'm really glad I purchased it. It's a little pricey, but it's definitely worth it. And I believe that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed once again. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. And let me know what palette you guys would like to see next. Bam Bam chose this one, so that's why I went in with this palette. So I hope you guys weren't disappointed. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.